If you know say you don't tire for rice and swallow every day just like me, this video is for you. Hello, good day everyone, you're welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, and wait I want make, I don't know the name, but just watch the video, follow the process, you will understand at the end of the video. So my people, this one that they see, so that they call them pumpkins, okay? The two are almost the same thing. So after me don't peel and wash and cut them, then I can't put her for this my tray. Can't add my salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Then I can't spray oil, put me for non-burn, make the thing for the shine, you understand? Then I go can't turn everything together. Then we go put her for inside our oven for like 30 minutes. Make we bake a bit toast. I don't know anyone sharp. So after that one, my people, the next one I go to see for here now. Now the spices when I want you to make my steak, na steak that they call and that meat now that they steak na I'm bisteka, talo they call am bisteka. English I don't know the word, okay? So just follow the process and you will come back and thank me later on the comment section. So all this now the spices when I get from my kitchen, so I can't mix everything together. They can't pour them oil, mix them together. Then the next one I go see now the second one want do. When we go use say eat that pumpkin later. Now be this one. Then I can pour everything inside. Turn it together. Not be this one I use to do. My people now hand that do I do it for off camera, guys. So I don't put my fry pan for fire. Then I can't they put the steak for inside. Just they follow, they watch the process. You will enjoy it. You will even ask for more. If you know see you don't tire for rice every day swallow there is a they do us, but we see they change sometimes, you understand? So this one is just my lunch when I eat the day when I make this food, you understand me? So now our steak is almost ready-able and we'll come back to our pumpkin. Now we are going to use our potato masher. They call it now. Use that same masher very well. Just keep watching. And if you do not say you don't watch this video this year, it means say you did enjoy my video, but you know what follow, you know what like, you know what leave comment, you know what even share my video. Waiting now, what I do now? Now my village people say una, I know it's not the village people but if you not say you like this video, I beg now give me a thumbs up. Follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my wonderful, amazing returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una get. So my people, we don't use our potato masher finish now. Then I can't put this my creamy or more. If you test this food, you will lick your fine finger. Look at it, guys. Our food is almost ready-able. I bet let me give a name for the comment section because me, I dey cook, I don't know the name. But I don't mind me, I don't go school. So guys, here will be the end of this video. Look at our lunch is ready-able. Will you be trying this recipe? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Una know so my sister like food. I'm a foodie. So if you want to try this recipe, you feel not put that 2 pound where you they see for inside there. So you feel just use for half or even more small one. So thank you guys for joining and see you all in my next video. Una bye.